Hello everyone, this is Sashi here, and this is a very small, simple diode forward conduction test circuit where we will be seeing the forward conduction drop across this diode when it is conducting. So, this was my interview question 1 year ago. So the interview asked me, is there a forward condition drop? Is there any voltage drop across this diode? Now, according to my understanding, that time I thought it is a simulation environment, so it will behave like an ideal diode with a zero forward voltage drop and whatever current be full current supply, so zero forward voltage drop. But he asked me to make a circuit and show me the voltage drop across this diode. So that time I got to know this fact. So this is a very simple circuit. I am applying a pulse voltage here to show the on and off of this diode, and I have selected this diode not any particular reason, just 1 ampere of current will flow through this. We can see its parameter. So it have a breakdown voltage of 20 volt, which I have taken around for 1.5 times of this um, 5 volt, which I am applying here, and this is the load here of 10 ohm. So this is a test circuit. Now if we see the waveforms, this is the voltage I am applying. I will zoom in the waveforms a little bit more. So if we see, so here the waveform we are applying the pulse is on. So that time we are getting output as if I see it's 4.7. It's 4.7 volt of the output voltage. And if I see this v in v out is the difference between v in and v out is the voltage drop across this diode. So this is the voltage drop across this diode. If it would have been working as an ideal diode, this would have been a straight line um, at zero, but it is not. So if we see, this is showing around 342 330 three 330 around millivolt of voltage drop. So this is a Schottky diode which have around 0.36 of millivolt for voltage drop, according to its data sheet, if you refer. So yeah, this is the forward voltage drop across this diode. This is the current flowing through this diode and resistance, both are in series, so same current is flowing through them. So if we see, it's around 460 milliampere of current flowing through this resistor and diode, and this is the power dissipated in diode. So if we see, so there is a forward voltage drop across this diode, and at the time there is current flowing through that. So this is the voltage drop across the diode, and this is the current flowing through that. So this is the amount of power which is this diode is dissipating. So it is coming around 158 milliwatt. For this small rating of voltage and current, this is not much. But if we are using a diode in a very high current or high voltage application, that time this power drop matters. That's why we use heat sinks and all. So this is the reason, and this is a power loss in through load, a resistance which is around 2 watt. So yeah, this is a circuit. I hope I have explained this properly. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.